Forget everything you think you know about the smartphone in your pocket. Forget the incremental updates, the slightly faster chips, and the recycled designs we've seen for the last few years. Because right now, in the high-security labs of Cupertino, Apple is building something that doesn't just replace your current phone, it renders it obsolete. If you are watching this, you're likely an Apple fan, a tech enthusiast, or someone who is simply tired of paying $1,000 for a device that feels exactly like the one you bought 3 years ago. Well, I have news for you. The cycle of boring is officially over. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. As we move through 2026, the leaks coming out of the supply chain aren't just whispers anymore, they are screams. We are looking at a machine that marks the biggest architectural shift in the history of the iPhone. From a ghost camera system that mimics the human eye to a processor so small and so powerful it defies the laws of physics, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is Apple's all-in moment. This isn't just a phone, it's a supercomputer that lives in your palm. And today, we are going to strip away the marketing fluff and dive into the cold, hard reality of what is coming this September. If you've been holding on to your iPhone 13, 14, or even the 16 Pro, you need to pay very close attention. The game is about to change, and the rules are being rewritten. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the A20 Pro chip. For years, we've been hearing about the 2-nanometer dream. Well, welcome to the future. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will be the first consumer device in history to feature a 2-nanometers processor. To put that in perspective, we are talking about transistors so small they are literally measured at the atomic level. Why does this matter to you? It's simple. 15% more speed and a staggering 30% jump in efficiency. Imagine a phone that never gets hot. Imagine a phone that handles 8K video editing, AAA gaming, and complex AI tasks simultaneously without breaking a sweat. This isn't just about opening Instagram faster. This is about wafer-level multi-chip module technology, a fancy way of saying Apple is packing more brainpower into a smaller space than anyone thought possible. When you pair that with a rumored jump to 12 gigabytes of RAM, you aren't just buying a phone for 2026. You're buying a phone that will still be lightning fast in 2032. But speed is nothing without a window to see it through. Let's talk about the display, because this is where the iPhone 18 Pro Max is going to win or lose the war. For years, the dynamic island has been a polarizing feature. Some love it. Many find it a distracting pill-shaped hole in their content. Apple has heard you. The 18 Pro Max is finally moving toward the true full-screen dream. Leaked prototypes show a significantly smaller dynamic island, achieved by moving some of the Face ID sensors directly under the display glass. It's a feat of engineering that has taken Apple nearly half a decade to perfect. You're getting a 6.9-inch LTPO plus OLED panel that is brighter, more efficient, and more immersive than anything on the market. This is the screen that will make your current phone look like a relic from the past. And with the new Ceramic Shield 2.0, it's not just beautiful, it's nearly indestructible. Now, let's get to the feature that usually settles the debate, the camera. If you think your current iPhone takes good photos, you aren't prepared for what a variable aperture can do. This is the holy grail of mobile photography, and it's finally coming to the Pro Max.